Hi, Deb Pervin here, and today's Tuesday Tweak is about 100 days. Can you believe there are only 100 days left in the year? That is just crazy. So, what are you going to do to close out the year? I know everybody's like, let's push for the last quarter, let's get new clients, let's get new revenue. Um, but obviously, if it's not in the pipeline yet, that's not going to happen. So, what I want you to think about is picking an activity that will lead to beneficial revenue, reduced expenses, something that will help you kick next year off in a very strong way. So, what do I mean by that? Well, let me tell you what I've done in the past. So, one year I said I'm going to do 100 cups of coffee. And I called clients, I called vendors, I called COIs. I just really sat down to see what people were doing. And especially when there's so much uncertainty, it was really helpful to get others' perspectives and to know that I wasn't the only one going, what is going on? One year, this was during COVID, I spent 100 days decluttering. That was horrible, but it was very helpful in the long run. So, you just pick a corner of your house and you decide, am I going to recycle? Am I going to sell it? Am I going to keep it? Am I going to throw it away? Am I going to donate it? And it really helps you clear your mind. And I have a very messy house, so I should probably do this one again. 100 Notes of Gratitude. This one I did, I think, last year. And it's just, when it's a tough year, it's really nice to recognize people who have helped you, people who, helped you get through the day, helped you get to a point where you are today, gave you good ideas. Everyone loves getting a thank you note. And then this year, my plan is a little different. I'm going to reach out to 100 Bomba alumni. I have more than I have a couple hundred, but I'm going to reach out to some of them that I haven't talked to in a really long time. They've wandered off. I know some of them have sold their businesses. Some of them have bought new businesses. So I really want to touch base with them and find out how they're doing, which is shame on me for having lost track of them all. So pick an activity and do it for the next 100 days. Love to hear your stories, what you thought you could do, so I could add it to my repertoire. See you next week. Have a great one.